In this video, we will create a simple motion graphic using geometry nodes. Here is the final result. Apply a geometry node to the default cube and add a subdivision surface. Set the subdivision level to 2. Apply an extrude mesh node. After adding the noise texture node, connect it to the noise scale socket. After adding the scene time node, connect it to the scale socket of the noise texture. The timeline will progress and the animation will be created. Adjust the speed by adding a math node. Add a mix RGB node. By changing the color of color 2 to black, the state of the object before the extrude mesh is applied and morphing is possible. Using the math node, let's animate the FAC value. Add a multiply node to control the speed. Add a sine node so that it repeats. Add a multiply node to control the speed. Based on this basic setting, you can implement various expressions by attaching additional nodes. This video ends here. Thank you for your time.